Hey Edith, how you doing? My name is Leo from Arona Marketing. I just want to reach out and send you this video. I talked to Emily today. She was very awesome. She was a good face of the company. She was very sweet and respectful on the phones. I think she does a good job, and she's a very good face of the company again. The reason for the call today was to get an email so I can get this sent to you all, so I can show you a video with a couple tips and tricks to it that you can do to increase your website presence. As you see here, I tried to pull your website up, but it looks like there's something wrong with it right here. This 404 looks like maybe the DNS is not connected right. Yeah, see right here. Did you point DNS? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your number one competitor site, and I'm just going to kind of break it down for you and show you some things that they're doing really good and some things that they could improve on. That way, when you get your website up and running, then you can apply some of these things to it. It's going to help you rank better. So as you see here, this is Lucky Fencing. They are the number one competitors, and right here is a keyword. It is the location and the occupation or the service or the niche. So Knoxville and then Fence Company. So Lucky Fencing is right here, number 2 in the map pack, and they're number 1 organically ranking here. So here they're getting about 60 to 70% of the search volume. And up here they're getting about 30 to 40% of the search volume. So these guys right here, as you can see, this is my Google tool analytical tool right here that I use to break these sites down. They have 421 keywords, and that's driving 176 pairs of eyes to their website each month. Okay, so what I would suggest on this right here is when you are creating websites, your home page is you. It's your face of your company. It's what most people are seeing first, unless you rank a back page. But most of the time, it's the home page, and the home page needs to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words because Google loves content. Content is king. And what happens is 24/7, Google sends out bots to go through these sites. And say someone in your area is searching Knoxville Fence Company. If that is in your content, then Google is going to ping that and move that to the front of the searcher's eyes. So content alone is not going to get you to that first page, but content with keywords embedded in it will help you get there quickly. So again, this is a keyword, Knoxville Fence Company. So if that is typed in, or if that's put into your content, anytime someone searches that exact keyword phrase, you will get a point for it. The more points you get, the closer you're going to get to the top of the page. Now, again, how I found you was I typed in Knoxville Fence Company, and you was in the map pack here, okay? And again, this is where you're getting 30 to 40% of your business, these top 3 up here. So it's very important to get to this position here. Now, you're not here right now. That's okay. There are several ways to get here. You want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number is the same all across the internet. That'll be in your directories like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, things like that. You don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to make sure you get filled out completely. And also don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Again, a citation is simply a business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages and Yelp. So as weird as it sounds, Google's just a big popularity contest. So the more directories you get your business name, address, and phone number in, the more chances you're going to be found. And that's not just for your area, but that's surrounding areas as well, because again, the Google Maps is going to give you 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and then it's going to give you a call right from there. Now down here we have the organics, and again, that's 60 to 70% of the traffic. So I've actually taken your website and put it into my analytical tool as well. And you got decent numbers. Looks like you was performing pretty decently before the site. There was a mishap with the site. You got 27 UR, 6 DR, and this simply means strength and trust that your website has with Google. These are out of 100, and you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. You got 527 backlinks. There's 153 referring domains. That's giving you 572 backlinks. A backlink is simply a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the backlinks that is more authoritative and that's relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now you've got 41 keywords on your website that you're being found for. And again, it is the service that you provide and the area that you provide the service. So looking through all these keywords you're being found for. Now see, 7-foot tall fence. Someone could put that in Washington and your site's going to get a ping, but it's not doing any good because this is a national keyword. So anytime it's searched anywhere in the world, then you're getting a ping for it, but it's not helping because it's not local to you. Now right here, decking and fence, Knoxville, Tennessee, that is a local keyword. And this is a keyword difficulty of 2. This is also out of 100. The lower the keyword, the easier it is to rank. So there's 100 people searching this each month. They're typing this in. So 100 people are typing in decking and fence, Knoxville, Tennessee. So if you apply these tips that I'm showing you and you get to ranking on that first page organically or in the top 3 on the map pack, you're going to get a portion of these searches here. Now you did have a couple of good ones in here, really good ones. Fence companies, Knoxville, Tennessee, 450 searches a month, and that's a 10 KD. Now that's going to take a little longer to rank, but putting that time out there is well worth it whenever you're getting a portion that's 450 right here. Also, I want to show you something here. So if we look up keywords here, we'll do Knoxville. And I just want to show you the volume and the keywords that you can apply to your website. And again, I like to help local businesses out. If you don't call me back, no harm, no foul, because at the end of the day, as long as you take these tips and strategies that I'm showing you and implement it to your website, I'm a happy camper. So you see we got fence companies, Knoxville, Tennessee. You've got one of these, both of these actually. And so that's 900 searches right there. But I can tell that you don't have the proper amount of backlinks going to it because you're ranked 61 for it. And look at these lost. These are backlinks that you have lost or that has fell off due to a time lapse or some other problem. But if you put backlinks to these keywords, they're going to start ranking better and higher. Right now, you're ranked number 61 for this keyword here. So you're not getting any of these searches here really at all. But I just wanted to show you the volume. 450, 450, 250, 250, 200, 200, 150, 150. All these are keywords that could be added to your website, and you'll start getting a percentage of this volume that clicks on your website and comes to you. Again, Edith and Emily, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Again, my name is Leo Arona. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me because I can be that resource for you. And I hope you have a great day.